The all-new 2024 Lexus GX is one of the most capable new SUVs of its size on the market, but there's always room for improvement with the help of the aftermarket. Lexus, in collaboration with Japanese tuner Jaos, has introduced the GX 550 Overtrail at the 2024 Tokyo Auto Salon, inspiring future owners to tastefully swap their SUVs for adventure. The Lexus GX is currently available in the US but will be introduced to the Japanese market in late 2024. The goal of the Overtrail version was to create a reliable vehicle capable of navigating the harshest environments and demonstrates the tuning potential of the model. Jaos' custom body kit complements the original's boxy styling, making the GX look even more rugged. Additions include a new front bumper made of ABS resin, bolt-style fender extensions with a matte black finish, tubular steel side steps, fenders and aluminum skid plates at both ends. Additionally, the black anodized aluminum Jaos flat rack on the roof offers extra space for all kinds of equipment. The Lexus Overtrail rides on a set of Jaos Tribe Cross 18-inch wheels shod in Toyo tires open country A/T3 rubber. Along with the new shoes, the Overtrail increases ground clearance by taking advantage of the Battlez removed titanium-infused springs and Harmofleq 2 adjustable shock absorbers. There are no changes under the bonnet, which means the GX 550 retains the twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 petrol engine. The mill produces 349 horsepower, 354 PS/260 kilowatts, and 479 lb-ft, 650 Nm of torque and sends power to all four wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Lexus GX shares its GF ladder frame underpinnings with the Toyota Land Cruiser J250, although the latter is not available in V6.